Most tyre shops lose money on fleet work, not because fleets are bad, but because they chase them the wrong way. They drop prices, work harder, and still struggle. The real problem? They're selling cheap tyres instead of selling reliability. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to win local fleet customers, keep your margins strong, and become the go-to garage without competing on price. Fleet business matters because it brings consistency, regular jobs, repeat customers, predictable cash flow. But only if you approach the right type of fleet the right way. Here's where most people mess up. They go after big national fleets. Sounds attractive, right? Dozens of vehicles, big contracts. But those fleets run on tenders and brutal pricing. You're competing with large suppliers who survive on volume. Instead, focus on local micro fleets, builders, electricians, plumbers, delivery drivers, taxi firms. These businesses don't care about saving a few pounds. They care about one thing: keeping their vehicles on the road. Think about it. If a van is off the road for a day, that's lost income, lost jobs, angry customers. So reliability becomes more important than price. Now, here's something no one talks about. Fleet customers don't actually want cheap. They want simple. They want someone who answers the phone. They want fast turnaround. They want one invoice instead of 10 receipts. So instead of saying, "We're the cheapest," shift your positioning. Don't offer fleet prices. Offer fleet service. This is where most shops completely flip it the wrong way. They lead with discounts. "We'll give you 20% off, 30% off," and suddenly you're locked into low-margin work. Instead, lead with value. Offer priority fitting slots so they don't wait. Offer same-day tyres when possible. Offer mobile fitting when they're stuck. Offer free pressure checks and quick inspections. Offer simple monthly invoicing. Now you're not selling tyres, you're selling convenience. Let me give you a simple line that works incredibly well. We keep your vehicles on the road fast, turnaround, simple billing, no hassle. That's it. Clear, direct, valuable. Here's a question for you. Would you rather save a small amount on tyres or avoid losing an entire day of work? That's how your customer is thinking. Now let's talk pricing. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. Use your normal retail pricing. No heavy discounts. Just include the service. You can literally say, "Our prices are standard, but you'll get priority fitting and monthly billing." And suddenly, you're positioned as professional, not cheap. But don't skip this part. Knowing when to say no. Some fleets will drain your business. If they push for rock-bottom prices, delay payments, argue over every invoice, or expect instant service without notice, walk away. Not every customer is a good customer. Here's another question. Are you running your business, or are your customers running it? Because strong businesses set boundaries. Now, if you're already doing MOTs or servicing vehicles, this is a huge opportunity. You already have trust. You already see their vehicles regularly. Adding tyres becomes easy. Instead of sending them somewhere else, you become their one-stop solution. That's how you increase revenue without chasing new customers. So, let's bring it all together. Don't chase big fleets. Focus on local businesses. Sell service, not discounts. Keep pricing simple. And protect your time with the right customers. Fleet work doesn't have to mean low profit. Done right, it becomes one of the most stable and profitable parts of your business. If this changed how you think about fleet customers, drop a comment and share your biggest takeaway. And subscribe for more straight, practical strategies that actually grow your business. If you run a tyre shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.